At the end of August 2024, I started posting a few informal videos on YouTube, showing some progress on a Warhammer 30k wargame table I was building for my brother. At the time, there was no real plan. I just wanted to share the build, talk through what I was doing, and maybe document the process as I went along. But pretty quickly, those casual posts turned into something more regular. By October, as that project wrapped up, I found myself uploading almost every week. I started sharing older projects from more than 20 years ago, alongside newer work and current builds, and somewhere along the way, the channel really started to take shape. Not long after that, I set myself a goal. I decided I wanted to become a YouTube partner. And as of this past week, I can finally say, we've done it. I wanted to make this video simply to say thank you, genuinely and wholeheartedly, to everyone who has helped me get here. First and foremost, I need to thank my family. Without their support, there's absolutely no way I could have sustained this. Any part-time creator will tell you that posting consistently, week in, week out, takes real focus, time, and energy. And having the encouragement and patience of my family makes all the difference. And I'm incredibly grateful for that. Next, I want to thank my friend and colleague, Radu Dan. His channel, Kitchen Draft, and his niche are very different from mine. He focuses on cooking, but his encouragement and mentorship have been invaluable. He was the person who pushed me to stop overthinking, step into my workshop, turn the camera on, and just make a start. That confidence boost mattered more than he probably realizes. I also want to thank my brother Richard and my friends Keith and Chris, who've been there right from the very beginning. Keith printed every single piece of the Gothic terrain build you might have seen on the channel, and a lot more besides. My brother Richard and I have shared a love of wargaming for many, many years. Being able to build and play together is something I'll always value. And Chris has supported the channel from the sidelines most every single week, to the point where we finally got him properly hooked on wargaming and into our local club last year. There are so many other people who've helped along the way. Far too many to name individually, so I'll be running names across the screen for the rest of the video. And if I've missed anyone, please know it wasn't intentional, and I'm hugely grateful to all of you. I also want to take a moment to thank Dave Spars and his bands, Hammermaid and Falanese Horsepower, for the music you hear on the channel. He has very generously allowed me to use their original work, and that support has added so much atmosphere and character to the videos. Music often plays a huge part in setting the tone for what I'm trying to create, and having artists whose work genuinely fits the spirit of the channel has made a massive difference. I'm incredibly grateful for their trust, their talent, and their generosity. To everyone watching from around the world, thank you. Your likes, subscriptions, comments, encouragement, and enthusiasm for the hobby have honestly kept me going at times when motivation was running low. The feedback, ideas, and conversations in the comments have been a constant source of inspiration and a real validation that I'm doing something worthwhile. And wherever you're watching from, whether that's nearby in Europe, maybe Germany, France, Sweden, the UK, Ireland, or as far away as Alaska, Brazil, Japan, or Taiwan, thank you for being part of this. Becoming a partner also means I can now advertise things like my t-shirts and hoodies and earn a small amount of income to help support the hobby. As many of you know, wargaming isn't cheap, and any return at all helps me reinvest into future projects and videos. I'm going to explore channel memberships for anyone who wants to support me on a regular basis, especially after the incredible response to the recent Space Marine chapter videos. You might see things become slightly more commercial from time to time, but I promise I'll keep it low key and I won't let it spoil the vibe we've built together. I'm committed to keeping true to my approach, telling stories through narrative games and campaigns, keeping things inclusive, and making the best content I can. So now, it's time to get back to the workbench and start preparing the next project. Thank you again, genuinely, for watching. And with that, I'll see you on the battlefield.